Exercise 5.3 question first. Find the sum of the following APs. Given AP, question first. Given AP is equal to 2, 7, 12 and 10 terms. A is equal to 2 and common difference D is equal to 7 minus 2. This implies D is equal to 5. And in this AP, N is equal to 10. So Sn is equal to N divided by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. N is equal to 10, 10 divided by 2, 2 into A is 2 plus N is 10, 10 minus 1 into D is equal to 5. S10 is equal to 10 is divisible by 2, 5 2s are 10, 5, 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1 is equal to 9, 9 multiplied by 5. This implies 5 into 4 plus 9, 5s are 45. S10 is equal to 5 into 45 plus 4 is equal to 49. This implies S10 is equal to 49 multiplied by 5. 9 5s are 45, 5, 4 carry, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 4 that is equal to 24, 245. Given AP is equal to 2, 7, 12, so on up to 10 terms. A is equal to first term that is 2 and common difference is equal to second term minus first term that is 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. N is here 10, so Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. S10 is equal to 10 divided by 2, that is 5. 2 into A is 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 9, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9 multiply by 5, 9 5s are 45, 5 multiply by 45 plus 4 is 49 and 49 multiplied by 5 is equal to 245 answers. Question number first, part second. Given AP is equal to minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 and up to 12 terms. First term A is equal to minus 37 and common difference D is equal to minus 33 minus 37. Second term is here minus 33. Second term minus first term is minus 37. Then common difference is equal to minus 33 minus into minus, that is plus 37, and 37 minus 33 is equal to positive 4. If this implies D can be right positive 4. Its common difference. A is minus 37 and common difference is equal to 4, and n is equal to 12th term, means n is equal to 12. So Sn is equal to n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. And putting the value of A, N and D in S12 is equal to 12 divided by 2 into 2 into minus 37. A is equal to minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into D is equal to 4. So S12 is equal to 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6, and 6 into 37 2s are 37 multiplied by 2 is equal to 7 2s are 14, 3 2s are 6, 7 minus 74 plus 11 into 4. This implies 6 into minus 74 plus 44. 74 minus 74, 44. Subtracting this, we get negative 30, and S12 is equal to 6 multiplied by minus 30. So S12 is equal to minus 180. Given AP minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 and up to 12th term. A is here minus 37 and common difference second is equal to second term minus first term. Second term is minus 33 minus first term is minus 37, minus multiply by a minus, that is positive 37. 37 minus 33 is equal to positive 4. So common difference equal to 4. N is 12 and S, using the formula Sn, sum of nth term is equal to n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. N is 12, so S12 is equal to 12 divided by 2 into 2a. A is minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into D. D is 4. 12 divided by 2, answer is 6. 37 multiplied by 2, that is minus 74, plus 12 minus 1 is 11, and 11 multiplied by 4 is equal to 44. Subtracting minus 74 and plus 44, we get minus 30, and minus 30 multiplied by 6, we get the value of S12, sum of 12th term, that is equal to minus 180. Answer. Question number first, third part. Given 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and up to 100 terms. A is equal to 0.6, and common difference is equal to second term 1.7 minus 0.6. 1.7 minus 0.6, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1.1 minus 0 equal to 1. Common difference is equal to 1.1 and n is equal to 100. So Sn is equal to n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Using the formula Sn, that is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 100. 100 divided by 2, 2 into a is 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 into d 1.1. 100 divided by 2, 50 times 52 are 100, and as 100 is equal to 50 into 6 2 are 12, that is 1.2. 0.6 multiplied by 2, answer is equal to 1.2 plus 99 multiplied by 1.1. 99 11, 9999, 9 8 10, that is S100 is equal to 50 into 1.2 plus 108.9. This implies S100 is equal to 50 into 1.2. 50 into 108.9 plus 1.2. 9 plus 2 11. 1 carry, 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10. 1 carry, 110.1. So S100 is equal to 50 into 1101 divided by 10. 0 0 is cancelled, but S100 is equal to 1101 multiplied by 5, 5055, 5505. Given AP is equal to 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and so on 100 terms. A is 0.6, common difference is equal to second term minus first term, 1.7 minus 0.6, that is equal to 1.1. N is 100 and Sn, using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 100, so S100 is equal to 100 divided by 2, that is equal to 50, and 2a is 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 into d, that is 1.1. 0.6 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 1.2, and 99 multiplied by 1.1, that is equal to 108.9. 108.9, and adding 108.9 plus 1.2, that is equal to 110.1. 110.1 multiplying by 50, we get 5505. Answer. Question first, fourth part. Given AP 1/15, 1/12, 1/10 and 11 terms. A is equal to first term, that is 1/15, and common difference D is equal to second term minus first term. Second term is 1/12 minus first term is 1/15. First of all, LCM of 12 and 15. 2 6 are 12, 15 as it is, 2 3s are 6, 15 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60. LCM is equal to 60. D is equal to 1 into 60 divided by 12 minus 1 into 60 divided by 15 whole divided by 60. LCM is 60. 12 5s are 60 and 15 4s are 60. Then common difference is equal to 5 1s are 5 minus 4 1s are 4 divided by 60. This implies D is equal to 5 minus 4, that is 1/60. Common difference is equal to 1 divided by 60. N is equal to, N is 11. So Sn is equal to n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, using the formula Sn. So S11 is equal to 11 divided by 2, 2 into a 1/15 plus 11 minus 1 into d is equal to 1/60. This implies 11/2, 2/15, 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2/15 plus 11 minus 1, that is equal to 10, 10 divided by 60. This implies 11 divided by 2 and LCM of 15 and 60 is equal to 60. So 2/15 into 60 plus 10/60 into 60 and LCM is 60. LCM of 15 and 60 equal to 60. So 60 multiplied by first number 2 and divided by 15 and 60 multiplied by second number 10 divided by 60. 15 4s are 60 and 60 cancel. So S11 is equal to 11 divided by 2. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8 plus 10 multiplied by 1 is 10 divided by 60. This implies S11 is equal to 11 upon 2 and 18 upon 60. 6 3s are 18, 6 10s are 60. This implies S11 is equal to 33 divided by 20. Given AP 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 10 and so on 11 term. A is first term, that is 1 upon 15, and common difference is equal to second term minus first term. First of all, LCM of 12 and 15, we get 60, and 60 multiplied by first number 1 divided by 12, 60 divided by 12, 50, 5 is 60 divided by 12, 12 5s are 60, and 60 divided by 15, 15 4s are 60. 5 multiplied by 1 equal to 5, 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, 5 minus 4, that is 1 upon 60. Common difference, we get 1 upon 60. N is 11, so Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Applying the formula sum of nth term, n is 11, so S11 is equal to 11 divided by 2. 2 into a is here 1 upon 15 plus n is 11. 11 minus 1 into d is 1 upon 60. This implies 11 upon 2. 2 1s are 2 upon 15 plus 11 minus 1, that is 10. 10 divided by 60. So LCM of 15 and 60 is equal to 60. And first of all, 2 multiplied by 60 and divided by 15, we get 15 4s are 60 and 4 2s are 8. And multiplying 60 by second number, 10 divided by 60, 60 is cancelled, but 1 multiplied by 10, 10 1s are 10. 10 multiplied by 10 plus 8 is equal to 18 divided by 60, and 6 3s are 18, 6 10s are 60. 11 multiplied by 3, that is 33, and 10 multiplied by 2 is equal to 20. So S11 equal to 33 upon 20. Answer. Thank you so much.